to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Hope you guys enjoyed the previous vlog installing the diffuser. Looks super awesome. Now we got the front lip on and we got the rear diffuser, and I think to tie it all together we need to install the carbon side skirt extensions. But before we do that, I'm not completely happy with the PPF on the side skirts. You may or may not have been able to tell in the vlog that there was actually a cutout in the middle of the actual side skirt itself, and I didn't like that. And then the actual cutouts around the edges just weren't completely satisfactory. It did the trick. I still appreciate Renee from Ultimate Auto Protection for actually getting those cut out for us, but I got some material purchased from Marty up at the BMW gallery. We got some material. I got the vinyl cutter in the basement, as some of you OG subscribers would already know. So what I did was I actually created my own template for the side skirts, and they're actually going to wrap all the way around underneath, and there's no cutout in the middle of the actual side skirts. So I'm going to quickly get those put on before we actually do the side skirt extensions. If you want to see how to PPF your side skirts, hit the link above. I'll drop the video there on actually PPFing the side skirts themselves. So without further ado, let's get this PPF installed so we can start putting more carbon bits on the M3. Side skirts are now re-protected. We're gonna let it cure and just adhere overnight, and we will pick this up tomorrow morning. So keep watching if you want to see the install of the carbon fiber side skirts. Hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and keep watching. We'll be back tomorrow. Day 2. Side skirts all PPF'd and should be all cured now. It's been nice and warm out and just been super gorgeous. So those should be all cured. Now let's work on getting the new carbon fiber side skirt extensions put onto the car. Let's get after it. So unlike Quinn, this time what I think I'm gonna try and do is I'm actually gonna try and pull the side skirts off of the car and then actually bolt the side skirt extensions on to the side skirt themselves. So that will keep it permanent, and then if someone accidentally steps on them, it's not going to pull out a self-tapping screw or anything like that. So let's try and get the first side skirt off, and then that will determine if we're actually going to bolt them on or not. So under the side skirts there are 11 of these plastic T30 kind of screw bolt type things. You want to take these off from underneath the side skirts first. I didn't show it, but I'll show you on the other side. to take the side skirt actually off the car, you just pull it, and there's clips all along. It's really simple to get off once you have these little bolts out. So the side skirt extensions come with these self-tapping screws. Those will pull out in no time. So I'm going to use, I got some penny washers and some 3/16 bolts, and we're actually going to bolt the side skirt extensions down. So let's get to fitting the first extension. We've got it clamped into place, and now I'm using a number 10 or 3/16 drill bit, and we will pop the holes through and bolt them on up. Pretty straightforward. That's simple. I just used the cutoff disc and cut all the extra bolt material off. So now it's all nice and flush. Just one of those things. I probably didn't have to do that, but it might bug me if I didn't. I also could have went and bought shorter bolts, but that'd just be more time. Okay. Once you got all your little bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them out, all you're going to want to do is just pop this out all the way along the top. It's literally that simple. I wish I would have thought about that with the F80, because that makes even running the airlines and height sensors down the side skirts that much easier. Good to know. We're learning something together. Now I'm gonna get this side all bolted down, and I'll show you guys the final results as soon as we get this one finished. Bam, just like that, side skirt extensions are on. Maybe it took me an hour in total. Very quick, simple. Man, taking the side skirts off and bolting it together, that was totally the way to do it. I hope that was some help to you guys on how to install your carbon fiber side skirt extensions. Much easier to do it that way. Thanks for tuning in. That's all the carbon aero bits that are now finally installed. We're just waiting for the wheels, and then the big air suspension will be coming to a vlog near you soon. If you want to see me lower and drop my M3 on bags, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe.